Auto Trail might be better known as a maker of luxury motorhomes, but we're going budget today. This is the F-68 from the F-line series. It's on a Ford Transit chassis, 6.8 meters long, and it's a two-berth with an end lounge. You can have your F-68 in a choice of cab colours, but the main bodywork here remains this white with fairly minimal graphic. That's okay, it's more about what this is made of, and it's GRP, so it's nice and solid. It takes the knocks, unlike the aluminium that some manufacturers still use on their budget vehicles. You still got a bit of luxury as well. Look at this habitation door, it's got a good grab handle to it, and a window, plus a wastebasket. There are other fittings as well on the outside, such as the bike rack fixings at the back. It's a good, solid motorhome, this. Now, the standard 128 brake horsepower engine should be more than adequate for this vehicle, but this has all kinds of upgrades. It's got the driver's pack, it's got the more powerful 160 brake horsepower engine, and it's got automatic transmission. But even if you don't want that power, it's a very smooth delivery. It makes for much more relaxing driving all round. Good all-round vision thanks to the mirrors. There's good equipment levels in the cab as well. You've got this little padded steering wheel, which makes it all feel very car-like. The driver's pack gives you a touch screen, so you've also got a color reversing camera and digital radio, plus various other connectivities. You'll find this a very relaxing and enjoyable vehicle to drive. So this is what the F-68 is all about. It's this big rear lounge with windows to three sides, generous sized windows at that. All three are open, they're double glazed, and they all come with concertina blinds and fly screens. So yeah, this is where you really want to relax and maybe invite in some friends or family. Freestanding table, locker storage is all around with open shelving in each corner, a couple of reading lights as well, and just the small roof light overhead. It's a generous lounge, so as you'd expect, you get a generous bed as well. This is the bed made up, and you've got quite a large and decently flat transverse double. Alternatively, you might want to even consider two single beds here, but this would be the main setup anyway. And it's a good low height, easy to make, easy to transform the seating into the bedding. You just pull out these section of slats from in here, and voila, you've got a good sized double. So it's a it's a very compact kitchen. As you can see, there's not a lot of work surface. In fact, this is it. But what you do get, 3 gas rings, a grill and oven combination unit here, and a stainless steel sink served by a proper chrome mixer tap swan neck design. There's an acrylic panel at the back. There's good storage actually, a double overhead locker here, and then a locker here with a slide out cutlery tray and a floor locker under the grill and oven. Turn round and you've got immediate access to a generous capacity fridge freezer. If there's a bit of compromise in the kitchen, it's not the case here with this washroom, because there's enough space here for a separate shower cubicle. It's fully plastic lined as well, just entrance via the 2 folding doors. There's a little chrome inset as well for your soaps and shampoos, etc. That still leaves plenty of space for a small basin and a swivel bowl toilet. There's good storage here as well. There's a locker under the basin that's shelved, and then there's a separate locker at high level beyond the toilet here with some open shelving as well. There's a mirror beyond the basin, and all that's really missing is a window. Now, this is a budget motorhome, of course, but that doesn't mean it's light on details. You've got things like the flat screen TV holder here, ideally placed for watching TV when you're in the lounge. There's a double USB socket here as well as other sockets for TV fixings. Up here, the main control panel, very easy to use. And then these panels here are for the Whale heating and the Whale hot water system, respectively. The main units for these are fixed under the vehicle, so you do save in terms of storage. It frees up storage space in the settee bases. Other things to watch out for, the easy to use lockers here, nice shelving. There's a TV aerial. There's 2 reading lights in the lounge here. Ideally, there could be a couple more, I guess, but there's good ambient strip lighting overhead and at the lower levels. So if it's a 2-berth, 6.8 meters long Coachbuilt motorhome that you want, based on a Ford Transit chassis, the F-68 here from Auto Trail really should be on your list.